Traditional printers, they know the client, they have a reputation, they've been working with the clients for a long time. But there's a shift in the market from traditional to digital because digital allows you to be way more versatile, flexible, uploading content, changing content at any given time. So it's about how to give them the right tools and the right platform so they can actually develop their business on the digital signage side as well without losing their traditional printing side. So we're basically here just trying to help them, giving them tools, giving them the knowledge, and doing these baby steps that will allow them to get themselves into the digital signage world the right way. Both worlds they don't need to collide, they need to coexist. So just for example, in this beautiful stand, it's not everything digital. There's like a beautiful part that is completely traditional printing, and there's like another part that is digital. The digital part allows us to be very flexible on what we show on the screen, and the traditional allows us to have a beautiful canvas of content that people is very used to receive. Another thing that I would say is that people is very used to work with computers, is very used to work with tablets, with smartphones. So for them to receive the information in an audiovisual way, for example with screens, it feels very natural for them. And we are living also in a world where content moves and changes all the time. I can actually take my phone and just point to one of the screens or even from the other part of the world, just click, move this content, change this content, move this kind of data, change this kind of data, and the content reacts in milliseconds. That's something that traditional printing cannot provide. But again, it's not about colliding, it's about how we can add value, which at the end of what we're trying to do is make the whole entire customer happy. When you're embarking yourself as a company in an unknown business market, which could be the digital signage of visual communication in this case, you need to be very careful when choosing your partners, because the partners that you choose will mitigate the risk and will help you basically succeed in that market. So Navori has that, not only the signage part, but also the computer vision side of it that allows you in one single platform not only push content the right way at scale, but also understanding what is the response of the people and potentially personalize the content that you show on the screen based on who is going to get it. So it's everything about transition from digital signage or traditional signage to digital signage to what we call smart signage. Showing the content to the right person at the right time, at the right place, and being able to understand why it works so you can optimize it. What we're trying to do is giving them these pieces of knowledge that we've been accumulating with 25 years of experience, more than 1 million licenses sold, in more than 120 countries, in many different verticals, so we can give them the expertise, the use cases to help them succeed in the new chapter of digital signage.